Hi guys, this is Mark with an update. On Tuesday in the live training session I cautioned about the New Zealand dollar news. I explained that even if it came out as expected, there is always the chance for nonsense and chaos at the news, and because it was at 3 AM European time, I would definitely not be placing any orders and I would be out of anything prior to that news announcement. And spookily, this is what happened. This was the news announcement and the New Zealand dollar dropped 78 pips in the first hour and overall now has dropped 166. But I got an email from a member and he said, well, why? Because it turned out that the news came out as expected. And this is what I've explained many times before, and this is why I do not trade the news, because the experts now will come out and say, oh well, even though the price came out as expected, the statement was more dovish, and therefore the analysts analyse that this is bad for the NZD. Now there are a couple of good articles here. There's a very short summary here from Forex Live explaining the key points from the takeaway. This is an article, I shared this with you before. This is Mark to Market, very good analyst, Mark Chandler I think he's called, yes, chief strategist at Bannockburn Global. He explains in detail what went on and why the NZD has dropped. The moral of the story for you guys is this is why I say do not trade the news. It is gambling, not trading. To receive more top tips, tricks and techniques for trading, please like, share the video, and if you've not done so already, subscribe to our channel.